This is Amojuri Vishwanath from India. I am an educationist at Astha Vidya Mandir, Dantewada, Chhattisgarh. And I am also Director and COO at Green Care Society, India, and registered life member at the Indian Science Congress Association, which is under Ministry of Science and Technology, Government of India. Thanks for watching iGen Green Battery episode Initiatives for Go Green. What is green? Green is a color, and another meaning of green is spread greenery for ecological balance and eco-friendly on our planet Earth. iGen, the Green Institution of Engineers, works for green initiatives and environment-friendly projects. Today, I am here to share my views on Go Green. What is Go Green? Go Green is a concept or process to spread ecological balance, to spread greenery on our planet Earth, to conserve environmental aspects. There are many ways to conserve our environment as well as our planet Mother Earth. First of all, we have to learn about SDG goals. What are SDG goals? In 2015, United Nations initiated for 17 goals which are called Global Goals, Sustainability Development Goals. These goals were initiated to provide quality of lifestyle to everyone on our planet Earth. Among them, Sustainability Development Goal 6, Clean Water and Sanitation. Sustainability Development Goal 13, Climate Action, which work on Go Green. There are many ways channels, procedures to take green initiative. Through SDG Goal 13, Climate Action, we can protect our Mother Earth through ecological balance and environmental aspects. there are many steps to follow the Go Green footprints. As stop pollution, beat plastics, spread afforestation instead of deforestation, make awareness on green concepts among students, citizens, green lovers. Take projects on green to all students, educators, and green workers. Take research and innovation activities on green. Implement governmental policies on environmental and ecological aspects. Coordinate and collaborate among the civil societies, non-governmental organizations, and government organizations to spread green. Conduct different conferences, webinars, activities, competitions at grassroots level through innovation, creativity, diverse thinking for green initiatives. Through these steps, we can promote Go Green concept. I am as a director of Green Care Society, India. I planted many saplings to spread green and to create environmental platform. Our founder president Dr. Vishwanath Panigrahi also takes green initiative concepts for ecological balance on our planet Earth. As a teacher at Astha Vidya Mandir, I am also taking green education to all the students through the concept of green education. Student Indu Manikpuri received prestigious Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Ignite Award 2016 by the hands of former President of India Sri Pranab Mukherjee at Vigyan Bhavan, New Delhi on the project of septic tank pressure record scale, which works on sanitation and clean on the basis of greenery, environmental balance. Astha Vidya Mandir English Medium School also has received Swachh Puraskar to taking initiatives of clean and green the campus. Recently, my students Nagendra Patnaik, Rudra Vijay Udurgiwar, Rahul Markam, Amit Nag, Hitesh Sahu have also received prestigious award Inspire on the scheme Manak by Department of Science and Technology, Government of India on the projects of replacement of non-biodegradable products through eco products. My students also participated at India International Science Festival on the project leading green projects. Through these activities, our school takes Go Green concepts for promoting greenery, ecological balance, environmental friendly aspects to everyone. Through the green initiative activities, by the following of government laws, green policies, green educational steps, we can spread green concept across the globe. So on this concept, I appeal to everyone, come forward, take green initiative steps to provide greener platform for current and future generation. IGEN, the Green Institution of Engineers, takes very good initiatives for spreading greener and environmental activities through different programs, projects and innovative works. I implemented 4th R, which is related to 3 R's. That means reduce, recycle and reuse. These 3 R's are also connected to 4th R, that is repeat. We have to repeat these 3 R's again and again through the R4 method. This is the initiative taken by me on the banner of Green Care Society India. So we have to come forward to take green initiatives at grassroots levels to higher levels. In collaboration with IGEN, I worked for Intech Manaka, Integrated Innovation Technological Management for Climate Action Project, which was appreciated and awarded by IGEN. Like through these innovative projects, I am taking initiative for Go Green. I pledge on this base platform, I will spread green and I will educate to entire the citizen of India as well as global to taking green initiatives, ecological friend to provide quality of lifestyle on our earth planet to everyone. Thank you.